Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the News Bulletin. Here are the headlines of the day. Prime Minister Modi inaugurates Terminal 2 of Bengaluru Kempegowda Airport, also flags of Chennai-Mysuru Vande Bharat Express. Shillong witnesses one-of-a-kind gala event as Chief Minister Conrad Sangma declares the second North-East Olympic Games 2022 open. Rajya Sabha MP Dr. W.R. Kharlukhi inaugurates new building of Lingam Presbyterian College. The 46th 100 Drums Wangala Festival kick-started today at Wangala Adam Chibragre, West Garo Hills District. Prime Minister Narendra Modi unveiled a Statue of Prosperity, the 108 feet tall bronze statue of Nada Prabhu Kempegowda in Bengaluru this afternoon. Earlier in the day, the Prime Minister inaugurated the Terminal 2 of Kempegowda International Airport in the city. He also flagged off the Chennai-Mysuru Vande Bharat Express and the Bharat Gaurav Kashi Darshan trains at KSR railway station. Shillong witnessed a one-of-a-kind gala event as Chief Minister Conrad Sangma declared the second North-East Olympic Games 2022 open on Thursday night. The inaugural ceremony witnessed cultural displays of all northeastern states and Sikkim at the Nehru Ground, the venue of many disciplines. Addressing the gathering, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma urged the youths to shun drugs and anti-social elements to channelize the energy for constructive activities so that they can excel in life. Among others, Mandira Bedi and Hima Das were star attractions. Hima Das spoke to DD News Shillong about her excitement for being part of this sporting event.
मतलब एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था इतना अच्छा बनेगा, लेकिन बहुत ज़्यादा खूबसूरत हुआ है और ट्रैक भी इतना अच्छा ट्रैक है। मैं बहुत आशा करती हूँ कि यंग जनरेशन इधर से बहुत आगे चला जाएगी।
With an objective to have electoral outreach program and to achieve 100% enrollment and voters turnout, and through analysis, the election department has selected a list of community where the electoral gap is above 25%. The program is called Mission Unite 2.0 UNI towards enrollment, Roll to Poll Urban Apathy Electoral Outreach Program. Chief Electoral Officer F.R. Karkongor told DD News that the focus is on certain clusters of polling stations where voters' registration gap is over 25% as against state average.
We will launch a kind of an enrollment drive to ensure that these pockets where the enrollment gap is more than 20%, where the gap is more than 20%, we will have a special campaign which is called Mission Unite, Roll to Poll. So Mission Unite 2.0 is basically a mission to Unite stands for UNI towards enrollment.
The new building of the Lingam Presbyterian College, Mouthingkud in West Khasi Hills, was inaugurated by MP Rajya Sabha and NPP State President Dr. W.R. Kharlukhi recently. The construction of the building was funded by the North Eastern Council Scheme 2020-21 at an amount of ₹1 crore. Addressing the gathering, Kharlukhi lauded the local MLA Gigur Murthong for his efforts to find ways to uplift the education sector in Maushandut constituency. Kharlukhi also urges the College Authority of Lingam Presbyterian College to set the target that the college should get accredited by National Assessment and Accreditation Council.
College ba phin yai but persang yeganeka NAC accreditation namar chisen bala accredit yepi lapio hakano kono garang kapisa kan wan ke sarkar na Delhi.
To mark the 75th anniversary of independence, the Border Security Force organized a cycle rally which was flagged off from ICP Akwara, Tripura and entered Meghalaya on Friday. The rally comprises 19 cyclists and will cover a distance of 2,200 kilometers from Tripura to South Bengal. DIG Sector Joai Sandeep Rawat along with other officials welcomed the rally. A cultural program was also organized by students of Holy Cross School, Umkyang, which was enjoyed by cyclists and border population of the area. The rally throughout its journey will convey the message to create a sense of security among border population, awareness about stopping trans-border crimes, ill effects of drug use and to motivate the youths to join Border Security Force. Deputy Commissioner West Jaintia Hills District B.S. Solya distributed the draft electoral rolls for Assembly constituency of Narthiang, Joai, Raliang and Moka to representatives of political parties. The Deputy Commissioner also launched the sweep awareness video on special summary revision enacted by Chi Yung. Briefing the representatives, the DC said the electoral roll is to ensure that all eligible citizens who have attained the age of 18 as on the qualifying date of 01/01/2023 get themselves enrolled. Meanwhile, in the morning, the Office of the Deputy Commissioner Election West Jaintia Hills, in collaboration with the Jaintia Hills Adventurers and Cycling Association, held a cycle rally with the theme Pedal for Participative Elections. The 4600 Drums Wangala Festival 2022 kick-started today at Wangala Adam, Chibragre West, Garo Hills, Meghalaya with the inauguration of handloom and handicrafts exhibition displayed by the local artisans of the region. Dancers took to the field in a rhythmic sync to the traditional drum beats and chants. The post-harvest festival is a Thanksgiving ceremony observed by the ethnic and indigenous Garo tribes in honor of the deity Mrs. Saljong, the giver for blessing with bountiful and bumper yields in the just concluded sowing seasons. Other highlights of the three-day gala include handloom and handicraft exhibition and competitions on traditional recitations and folk songs. Alvinush R. Marak, Chief Executive Member, graced the occasion as chief guest. Indigenous and traditional games and sports were also organized, which is an added attraction to the youth of the region. And now for the weather report. The maximum temperature recorded in the city was 19 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 10.6 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 67%, while it was 72% in the evening. The forecast says a dry weather is likely in most places. This is a reminder that our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Instagram and Twitter. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in to our daily bulletin. And before we wind up, here's the headlines once again. Prime Minister Modi inaugurates Terminal 2 of Bengaluru Kempe Gowda Airport, also flags of Chennai-Mysuru Vande Bharat Express. Shillong witnesses one-of-a-kind gala event as Chief Minister Conrad Sangma declares the second Northeast Olympic Games 2022 open. Rajya Sabha MP Dr. W.R. Kharluki inaugurates new building of Lingam Presbyterian College. And the 4600 Drums Wangala Festival kick-started today at Wangala Adam, Chibragre West, Garo Hills District. And with that, viewers, we've come to the end of today's edition of the News Bulletin. Do join us back tomorrow at the same time. Good night.